How's it going, folks? Today I'm going to be trying to fix my boost hose pipe that came off of this model. This is a B16 engine in a Insignia estate. Yeah, basically just ended up having this come off whilst I was driving. Had the yellow seal come off here, and I guess like blown off fucking somewhere, and then had the clip of the pipe break as well. So yeah, I've gone for a more permanent solution involving this from TurboZentrum, which has basically a rubber pipe extension bit, and it's got some hose clamps on as well. So to do that, considering the amount of space that you've got there, you have that connected to that pipe. If you put that right next to it, you should see that extends down to that sort of line there. So what my plan is I'll cut from that bit onwards off, and then hopefully be able to stretch this on. So with any luck, we'll see how that goes, and I'll show you the result. Right, so that's the end finally sawn off. I had this stuffed at the end of the pipe, like as far as here, with a toilet paper to stop any of the stuff coming through, and I also used a sheet to stop any of the stuff going in the engine bay. So yeah, with that, I mean, I didn't quite do it at a particularly good angle, but you know, there's still plenty of space to use there, and as long as you put this right back up to the end here, I think it'll be okay. You just need to then use these clamped up all the way to the ends as far as you can. I think with this side here, you want to have it a bit further in, away from the edge, but that one I'm just going to try and get as close to the end as I can. So yeah, we'll see how this goes, and I'll show you the final product hopefully. Right, so that's the final product, guys. Here we go. So yeah, just with this, it's obviously pretty self-explanatory. You just have the pipe section replacement here, put the old pipe through, put the clips on, tighten these up. I started off with that one first, kept this pushed in relatively as far as I could, obviously without getting into the throttle body section, and then just tighten these up. Now these nuts have got a bit of nylon on the end here, so just obviously make sure you're using the metal one on this side as you're tightening it. And I'd say use this spanner. This is a number 11 1/4 inch drive for setting it off, because obviously that gets you a little bit of the way there, then you can use the spanner for the rest of it. It's just much easier. So got to give this a go, and hopefully it won't have any issues.